The next letter is G. And we're going to use this Play-Doh. And what color do you think this Play-Doh is? That's right, it's violet. It's a beautiful violet color. Now let's roll it. It's round. We're keeping it round, and now we're going to press. Press. Press and lift, and we've made the letter G. G makes the G sound. Good job. G, G. Can you think of anything that starts with the letter G and the sound G? And now we're nearly ready. G for giraffe. Press it on. Press, and ooh, we have something else that starts with the letter G. What do you think that is? That's right, a gingerbread man and a giraffe. G for giraffe. It's so wobbly. A gingerbread man, like a cookie. And we have one last thing. What do you think this is? G for, this is a fun one. Can you guess what this is? We use it on Halloween as a decoration. That's right, it's a ghost. G for ghost.